Hi friends, in this video let us solve signal system related question asked in GATE 2003 EC paper. The question is solve the problems and choose the correct answer. The system under consideration is RC low pass filter with R is equal to 1K and C is equal to 1 microfarad. RC low pass filter, R is equal to 1K ohm, C is equal to 1 microfarad. What they are given, H of F is the frequency response of RC low pass filter. For RC low pass filter, we know H of F is given by 1 by J 2 pi RC. This is standard formula. F1 be the highest frequency. So the low pass filter has highest frequency of F1. And they gave H of F1 divided by H of 0 is greater than point F. H of F1 divided by H of 0 is greater than or equal to 0.95. Okay. Right. So from this we understand what is H of 0. H of 0 is 1 by J2 pi FRC. Right. So I missed one F here. So F0 means it will be 0. So it is H of 0 is 1. Okay. Right. So H of F1, I told already H of F1 by H of 0 is 1 by J2 pi 1 plus J2 pi RC into 1. Right. So if you take magnitude, what they have given, it is magnitude of H of F1. So magnitude of H of F1. So this is H of F1 by RC. If you take magnitude of F1, H of F1, it is 1 by root of 2 pi RC square greater than 0.95 because it is mod H. This is H of F by H of 0. This is mod H of F divided by H of 0. Okay, fine. So if you simplify, what will happen? You simplify, it is 1 by 2 pi RC. R is equal to, we know the value of R and C, 1 kilo ohm, C is 1 microfarad. Substitute all the things. If you simplify that, what you get is 1 plus 4 pi square, sorry, F square, R square, C square is less than 1.108. That is, I bring this one this side. This 1 by 0.95, it is 1.108. So substitute R value and the C value. This implies F is less than or equal to 0.329 divided by 2 pi RC. So F is less than 0.329 divided by 2 pi 1k into 1 micro. So F is less than 52.2 hertz. So F is less than 52.6. So it is the maximum frequency. So what is the answer? 52.2 hertz. Is there anything? Yes, it is. F is 52.2 hertz. So the next question is, let TG of F be the group delay function of the given RC low pass filter. F2 is 100 hertz. Then what is TGF2? So group delay, we have to find for second problem group delay. TG is given by TG of F or TG omega, right? So TG omega is equal to minus d theta omega by d omega. Theta omega is nothing but phase of H of omega, right? So for RC low pass filter, H of omega I have written already 1 by J omega RC. Omega is equal to 2 pi F, that we know. So what is phase? Phase of H of omega, which is nothing but theta of omega. It is tan inverse of omega RC. So TG of omega is differentiation of this one, d theta omega by d omega. So it is 1 by 1 plus omega RC tan inverse of x into RC. Okay, so R we know it is 1 kilo ohm, so 10 power 3 It is 1 microfarad C divided by 1 by tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Sorry. So omega is 2 pi f 4 pi f. F is 4 pi square. F is 100 square into r 10 power 3. It is 10 power minus 6. So what is our f value? We will see. F real when it is exactly 100 hertz only, so no problem. So 100 hertz. So if we simplify, Tg of omega group is 0.717 millisecond. So the answer is 0.717 millisecond. It is there. Yes, 0.717 in millisecond. Thank you.